Angela and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving a review and install of this Outre Charisma Cajun Spice wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like my face, if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, so let's get into this hair. This hair is the Outre Perfect Hairline fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig in Charisma in the shade in the color Cajun Spice. I got this from wigtypes.com, and with tax and everything my total was around $54. So it was a very affordable wig for a 13x6 lace. It came with a automatic wig band, elastic band, and I believe it came with 3 combs, which is standard. So overall, straight out the pack, it was looking really good, and it fits the head really nicely. So now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks on my head in a second. So here it is on the head. Like I said, it fit really well. Of course, the lace hasn't been customized, so it is giving that like white lace. But overall, you could go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more. I'm just not comfortable with plucking the hairline, but so far it's good. I will say that the side pieces are extremely long, so as you see, I am going to cut off a big chunk of it, but overall it was really good.
Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking nice. I'm so excited. Like, I'm not even gonna touch the curls right now. What I'm gonna do is cut the ear tabs off, and then we'll get to installing it. As you can see, my cap is showing, so I am gonna have to like adjust the wig. But so far, I love it. Like, I really do like it so far. So I'm gonna take like a small section of hair. I'm trying not to mess with the curls right now because I don't want to start tangling it. I'm just gonna take it.
So like I said, I did have to cut off a big chunk of the earpieces, and I will say I did cut a little bit more than I should have, but it still fits my head really well. So I will say, if you don't have a big head, if you have a standard size head, you are going to have to cut off a lot of the hair, which may increase shedding, but it didn't increase a lot of shedding for me. It was pretty normal. But here I'm just parting out what section I want and then just going in and cutting it, and it was really easy to cut. The hair didn't get in my way. As long as you have a clean, crisp part, you're really not going to have much problems.
So what y'all didn't see is that I cut the ear tabs off. I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording, and I kind of fumbled the bag. Not really. I don't really know. But yeah, we shall see. But now I'm gonna customize it. I like fix the part and everything so that it lays flat, and then we're gonna get into the install.
So off camera, I added my foundation. I made a part and just flattened the part a little bit how I wanted so that I could go ahead. I prefer to go ahead and cut my lace off rather than having the lace on and gluing it down. That's just how I prefer my frontals. It's way easier for me, and I have a better hairline outcome when I do that. So that's what I did, and now I like to use Got2b glue because I am the type of person that likes to take wigs off. So this Got2b glue method that I use lasts me about 2 to 3 days. Without it lifting in certain areas. So I just do about 2 to 3 layers, just depending on the day. I usually do 3 layers on the side pieces, and then I go in with my Tresemme hairspray, which y'all are going to see later on. But I start with the center first, and then I do the outward pieces to lay the hair down. I don't put like the glue on all at once because it does dry down. And like I said, this method usually works for me. But what I like to do is once I put the glue on, I'll put my headband on, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go back in with my hairspray. So as you can see now, I'm taking my hairspray, and you want to make sure that the hairspray doesn't drip down too far, because when you lift up your like band or whatever, you are going to get those white spots. And if you do get white spots, just make sure you go in with alcohol before you move on, so that way you don't have that like dried up glue and gel and hairspray, because that's not cute. Yeah, I will say that I have very like long edges. Well, they're not long, they just go down far. So sometimes they do get in the way because I don't use the ball cap method. But other than that, this hairline was really, really good.
So I have my hair sprayed on right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and then I'll do edges and stuff and show y'all the final at the end, because I'm tying my hair down because I have to be up early in the morning, and so I wouldn't have time to like do my hair, film this video, get ready. So, and I know y'all can't hear me either, sorry. I wouldn't have time to get ready tomorrow. So that's why I did it tonight, but I am gonna show y'all the like finished product and everything so that y'all can see, and you aren't gonna be anything. So for the hair itself, because I'm to lay down, what I'm gonna do is just take it, wrap it in a bun, just like this. And it's gonna hold curls, and I can recurl it. Turn it over it. I always recommend keeping your like hair nets for synthetic wigs because it just helps keep it in place. And then for my bonnet, so the next time that y'all see me, I will have the finished product and how I styled it. All right guys, so here is the hair. I'm just going to be doing a review slash update for you guys. So I have had this hair in for about 5 days now, or 6 days. I think, no, like 5 days now. It'll be a week Friday. And I've been wearing it for a week, and it's definitely starting to lose like that initial va-va-boom, but I still think it looks pretty well. What you guys didn't see is that I did cut the hair, so I don't know if you can see. I can try to stand up a little bit, but I did cut the hair, like it was down to here, and I cut a good chunk of it off because with synthetic hair, the longer it is, the quicker you can tell that it is synthetic. So I did go ahead and cut it and cut some layers into it, and I wanted this hair shorter anyways, so I really like it. I also added some baby hairs, as you can see. I will say the lace is pretty decent. I did put some foundation on it, but I'm sure it's still detectable with like the lights and everything, but in person it's not bad lace at all. It stands really well. I would say that shedding is normal for synthetic hair. You're gonna get little pieces of hair that come out, but it's not too drastic. As long as you continuously brush through it every day and like wrap it up nicely, it's not gonna tangle too bad, which is what I do. So overall, for the price, I definitely give this hair a 10 out of 10. I'm so glad that I was able to try it because this is the like color for the fall, and I'm a college student, so it's very unrealistic for me to spend $200 on a colored wig that I'm gonna wear like for a week and then throw it in my closet. Like, that's not my tax bracket right now, but one day it will be. So yeah, I definitely like the experience going through wig types, and it was like very good price because I went in the hair store. I noticed at the hair store they be bumping the prices up. So I definitely like this wig, and I will definitely be looking into more colored wigs. And this is my first 13x6 frontal, I believe, and I really like it. So I'm glad I get to experiment and try new things. Still don't know how to pluck, but we'll get there. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below more videos you want to see from me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.